Hello guys, welcome back to Global SMC Forex Trading. So I've realized that there are some new people who really want to know what really Forex is. So this video, uh, I'm going to be talking about what really Forex trading is. For those who know it, so you can watch other videos, but for the beginners or the people who really actually don't know what Forex trading is, I'm going to be explaining it here. So what happens here is Forex is just a buying and selling. It's just a buying and selling activity. Okay, let me write it here. It is just a buying and selling. It is just a buying. It is just a buy and sell. It's just a buy and sell. It is just a buy and sell activities that are done by the banks, by the retail traders. Retail traders, we mean us, people who trade at low scale, all those big banks, everyone that sells in everyday action. This is where the overall thing, or this is how the market moves, right? So basically we are saying forex trading is just the buying and the selling now. So how do we now get ourselves involved, or so how do we make money with forex now? This is the next question that people will be curious to know. So what happens now, we are saying, if you check here, this is what we call a forex trade chart. For the people who want to know about this, this is just a trading view. It's something that we call a trading view, a platform which is free, that you can just go and you watch the market from here. So this trading view, it shows the actual movement or what's really happening with the market. So if you go on trading view, that's where you see the market movement, or how the market is behaving, right? So now the next question is now, so do how do we make money with forex now? This, how do we how do we make money with forex, right? So how do we make money now with forex? So we have two activities or two things that are happening here. As you can see, we have those red candles that we are seeing. Those red candles, they are called bearish candles. So for the candles that are going down, those candles that are going down, they are called the bearish candles, right? They are called the bearish candle. So let me try to make it red, and no, not that one. I mean this one. Let me try to make it red. Even here, let me also try to make it red like this. Make it red. Okay, can you make it red? Okay, like this. Okay, so basically we are saying those are candles that are going down, or which are red in color, they are called the bearish, right? Bearish, it means we are moving down kind of thing. Then for the ones, okay, what do we do now? Let's clone this. For now, for the other ones that are blue, what do we call them? We call them the bullish. For the other one that are blue, so let's clone again. So what are we saying now? We are saying for these blue ones, we call them the bullish. This is now the bullish, the opposite of bearish. When the market is going down, we say it's bearish. When it's going up, is the bullish. So actually what we are just saying, this is the bearish, this is the bullish movement, or the going up or the going down. So how do we make money now with trading? This is the second question that people would want to know. So for us now to make money with forex trading, we are supposed to be in the position where the market is going, right? So if you check on this market, right, let's say you are part of the traders, or you are trading and you started to buy, we say this is bullish, right? So basically now I think I left something. Whenever we have the bearish, right, we are selling. we have a sell. Whenever we have the bearish, we are selling. Whenever again we have the bullish, we are buying. We are buying like this. So what do you mean now? So what do you mean now? If you get yourself involved as the trend is going up, which means if you are buying, you're supposed to be buying, so the market is also going up. So if you get yourself involved as the market is going up, which means you are also gaining money. Vice versa, meaning to say if you start to buy or if you start to sell as the market is going up, you are starting to lose again. So basically we are saying Forex is a strategy or is a way that you do and analyze so that you know where to buy or where to sell. You want to get yourself involved in the market as the market is going to that direction. So basically this is how Forex it is. You study it so that you know when to buy or when to sell, right? Then after this we have something that we call them the brokers. We have something that we call the brokers. For those ones, for the people who doesn't know about brokers, what is a broker? A broker is just sometimes these are just the people or the main account or the place where you actually place your money, like your main account, so that when you are trading, when you're buying or when you're selling, you know that you have someone who is responsible for your account, or who is who have the access to this market. So you use the brokers, which is let me draw it like this. Let me draw it like this so that you guys can, I want to make it like a channel so that you guys may understand, right? So what are we saying now? We come from the first thing that we do, so that people you understand what I'm trying to say. We have our chart. We have the chart. A chart now is a place where you analyze the market. What is a chart now? The one that I have showed you, or the one that I am now, this one, this is what we call a chart. Now, so what are we saying now? A chart is a place where what? This chart is a place where you do your market analysis. This is where you do your market analysis, or the place where I am right now. This is what we call a chart. So I talked about it. It's called trading view. Then for the brokers, we have a lot of type of brokers, but for me, I like the one which is called deriv. I like the one which is called deriv. So in deriv account, or this is where we place our money, or this is our account holder, whereby when we are when you're making transactions or anything that you want to do, this is the platform that you use to make your transactions now. So after the brokers, now we have a place now where we place our trade. So usually we have what we call MT4 or MT5, which is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now, what is the purpose of this now? The purpose of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 is to place the trades now. This is actually where we now buy and sell. This is where we actually buy and sell. So I want you guys to understand something here. So what are we saying now? Before we trade, we go on the chart, we do our market analysis, we assume what you are assuming, we do our technical analysis until we know where the price is going. Then after that, of course, by that time you already have your broker, you have placed your money, and now you want to trade now. That's when you go to MT4. So what happens now, whenever you go on the charts, right? Whenever you go on the chart, this is a chart. Let's say this is a chart like this. So what happens now, whenever you go to the chart, right, like this, you go to the chart and you make your analysis or your market analysis. That's when you go to this MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, which is a place that you now place a trade. This is where you, so on MT4 or MetaTrader 4, MT4 like this, MT4 or MT5, this is where you what, you place the what, the trade. This is where you place the trade. So meaning to say, this is how the system works now. We have these three things that are involved, and after that you're now going to the chart, going to the MT4, MT5 to place the trades. So now when you place the trade, what are you doing? You're buying and selling. So if you buy now, if you buy when the market is going to your direction, you start to make money. But if you do the opposite, if you assume that it's going to buy or it's going to sell while it's buying, that's when you start to lose the trade. That's why people say everything that you do should be your own will, right? So basically, this is the way how I understand forex trade, like in simple terms, like how to execute it or how to just do it now. So for the sake of explanation, I think this is actually what you're supposed to know about the basic of what really forex trading is. So for those who are now interested to know now how we do this market analysis or which strategies that we use to get ourselves involved as the market is going this way, this is now another topic that we are going to be covering on another videos. So if you are now interested with that, you check my other videos and start to see how I do that, how I do my market analysis, how I even place my trades, so and so. So otherwise, guys, thank you for this video. This is exactly what I just wanted to teach you. So for the last recap, what are we saying? We said forex trading is just the buying and the selling action that is caused by the banks, the retail traders, everyone who is on the market, or everyone who is just making an action. The action is seen on this chart. So where do we see this action now? We see the actions in the chart. Where are the charts? The chart, I told you guys, I use what you call a trading view. A trading view is free, and that's where you see your market analysis. After doing the market analysis, that's when you choose your broker. There are many types of brokers that you can choose, but as of me, I told you guys I know Derif, that's the one that I like, with some low commissions. After placing your money here, that's when you go on to MT5 or a MetaTrader 5. This is where now you place your trade. That's where you start to buy and sell and even enjoying, and that's where you start to enjoy trade, or that's where the trading journey begins. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. I think I have said it using the way that you can understand. Thank you for your time, I appreciate. I'm signing out.